2014 Ford C-Max Hybrid. The Ford C-Max Hybrid provides an upscale interior, quality engine performance, and fuel efficiency. In addition, the C-Max offers passengers a spacious interior cabin. This vehicle has less than 60,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: keyless entry, stability control, steering wheel audio controls, anti-lock braking system, traction control, leather-wrapped steering wheel, Bluetooth, power steering, adjustable steering wheel, four-wheel disc brakes, aluminum wheels, cruise control, floor mats, climate control, AM/FM stereo radio, rear defrost, front wheel drive, child safety locks, CD player. Is love at first sight really possible? Let us know when you stop in.